Molweni guys, today we are doing lip combos. Let's get into the video. So the first thing that I'm about to apply on my lips is this brown liner that I can't remember where I bought it. It's a super dry because I did wipe them out. Because whenever I have some product on, I can't apply these liners. The next product is the Urban Decay lipstick in the shade Matte Stack Naked. So this is how I blend my lipstick and liner together. I'm gonna come closer so that you guys can see the lip combo. I really love this. I also use my fingers. Okay. And then we're gonna apply some lip gloss. This is the lip gloss from Essence Extra Shine Volume Lip Gloss. And this is how this lip combo looks. Let's go into the next one. So now I'm gonna go in with the Mini Q eyeliner and eyebrow pencil. It's a very dark shade. I think I got this for only 7 Rand or 8 Rand. Go in with this H&M Honey Matte Lip Cream. So it's all up to you. You can stop right here or add lip gloss. So what I usually do is, it depends on the day how I feel. Sometimes I don't put on lip gloss. I just stop right here with the liner and the lip cream or lipstick. But it all depends on how you feel with the lip combo. But I love how this turned out. My question is, do I want to add some shine? I go in with this Oh Hi lip gloss. I think the shade of this lip gloss is Whisper. And this is how it looks with the gloss. The next one is also liner from Mimi Q. It is written eyebrow shape, waterproof eyebrow pencil. It was only 10 rand. I'm gonna go in with this Essence Perfect Matte lipstick in the shade. The shade has faded out, but this is how it looks. I've had this one for a very, very long time. Actually, it smells nice. It smells so nice. This is how it turned out. I'm gonna add another shade on this one as well. So I have this brown one. I'm not sure where I got this lipstick. Just gonna add it here. Okay. And then I'm gonna go back in with the liner. And this is how it looks. So I'm not gonna add anything else. So let's go into the next one. I'm gonna go in once again with my brown lip liner. Pro Matte liquid lipstick. Now let's go in with this brown dark shade again.
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between?
So I have gone in with the NYX Professional Makeup. What is this? Lip cream or lip gloss? I am not sure. I'm gonna add this Melted Matte Liquid Matte Longwear Lipstick. Yeah.
Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Baby, I'll love you one day.
Do you see that?
Will someday grow. Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit.
So I'm not gonna apply any lip gloss, any lip shine. I like this matte. I really like this matte. Now I'm using another lip liner that I got from Mimi Q. It is Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. There's no shade here. I think I got this for 10 rand, 20, can't remember.
A nice night, the waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think there was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's like, though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. You don't need to know, but you can ask.
I'm gonna go in with this PS liquid lipstick.
All access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day.
I'll go back in with the lip liner.
Till then, I sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way. 2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is.
I'm gonna use my Oh Hi lip gloss.
Blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
And this is how this lip combo looks. I love it. So the very last one will be the one for the lip gloss girlies. It's just lip liner and lip gloss. I'm using my favorite lip liner. And lip gloss. And this is the last one for today.
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need.
There you are, all done. Just lip gloss and lip liner. And this is the end of our video. I hope you liked it. I hope you will subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.